Hey friends, TUXX here. Quick little correction, okay? So in my original unboxing video for the Ray-Ban Meta 2 Gen 2s, I made a comment about, of course, you guys know I love Sirius satellite radio, and more than Apple Music or, Spotify or whatever, if I'm listening to a playing my own MP3s, not my collection, but more of a streaming service. So I like satellite radio. I listen to the Alt 18 Countdown, love Alt Nation, my favorite channel of all radio stations ever, okay? And so I wanted to be able to listen to it on my Metas, okay? And I was a little disappointed that you couldn't, but there is a way around it. It's very simple. And basically you just pull it up on your phone, okay? Of course, your phone is connected to your glasses. When you put the glasses on, basically it will start playing. So right now it's paused. As you can see right here, we'll just open this up here. Here's the Alt 18 for this weekend, okay? And I put my glasses on here, and I'm gonna hit the button, the side for playing, and it should start playing here. We should see a little go here. Let's see, 18 seconds. There we go. Okay, so you can see there I paused it. I'm gonna go ahead and here, I'll just do it one more time to show you. So right here is Alt Nation playing on my phone. On my glasses, I'm hitting the side bar. It's going to pause it here in a second. Okay, so results may vary, okay? If you have Sirius Satellite Radio pulled up on your phone, okay, you can easily just hit the side over here, one tap like normal to play, okay? And then we'll play Sirius through your glasses, which is nice, I will say it also works really nice if you go into the car, and then it will switch to the car Bluetooth. So you can kind of switch between devices quite easily, which is good too. So while it's not a perfect solution, I wish that Meta, if you're watching this video, please include satellite radio or let people pick and choose what music service they want to use, besides Spotify and everything. It should have Tidal on there. It should have all sorts of things on there, not just, Amazon Music, Spotify, and Apple, the three that are currently on it, but this is a way that is functional, okay? You pull up the satellite radio on the phone, you hit play, you have your glasses on, it will play through the glasses. So it is very possible to do that, okay? All right, guys, I just wanted to show you that in case there's any serious satellite radio fans out there. It is an option for you, okay? If you have a better workaround for this, please let me know in the comments below or email me, tuxtoys@gmail.com. I would love to hear your solution, okay? All right, thanks for watching, guys. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.